Hey everybody, Joe the Lego Man here, and today we just got a package in. Well, actually, Jean got her package in. So let's get this up to her and see what's inside. Your package has arrived.
Oh my God! Is that the Lego one?
Yes, this is the one from Lego. You want to open it?
Okay. I'm so excited. I just finished my 12 roses.
They're looking really, really sweet. They're looking really nice. So as you can see, JJ Builders, Jean is building flowers. So she's been getting into flowers lately. Here she's just finishing her bouquet of 12 roses. As you can see, she has some bamboo plants. And she's got a few others that she's already done. But I'm curious of what's in the box. So what do we have in the box?
So let's open it. So actually, this is my order last week, and it's just arrived now. So we can open and what it is. Yeah. Oh, it's a new Lego edition. This is just released.
So what do we have here?
So now we have here a new Vincent van Gogh sunflowers. It's a Lego art collection, and it's a set number 31215, and there are 2,615 pieces. So this one,
So what made you buy this set, babe?
I buy this one is because I have a collection of different kinds of flowers that I build. And if you can see at the back,
Really? So what kind of flowers do we have here on the table first?
I have here a dozen of red roses, and I built also a three bamboo.
What else
It's
do you have?
very nice if you can see that. And in here at the back, I have here a different kinds of flowers. It's so cool. You see? Look at this. It's in the pot accordingly. And at the back, this is a pinky flowers that I make. I have lots of collection. So that's why I want to build this one.
So it looks like we have some more red roses in the back. We got a couple insects too.
Yeah.
Looks like we got a praying mantis, a butterfly, and a beetle.
Yes.
Well, it's looking pretty nice, your collection, Jean. And is that why you bought this one
That's
here?
why I bought this one because of the flowers that I have.
So everybody, as you've seen, Jean is getting into Lego flowers
That's right.
and Lego flower art. So anybody who wants to see what she builds, jump over to her new Lego channel, Jean's Lego Flower Shop. So I'll put the link in the description of this one. And of course, like, subscribe, drop a comment to both of us, and tell us what you think. See you soon.